Now we can move into estimating within the same environment. Here is where you build your staffing and delivery plan by roles, hours, timelines, and rates. And this is all making sure that it's connected to that original brief. Within here, you can pull in predefined task templates. So come in, define this down to individual phases, bring in your templates here as well. You can come in, create single line task entries across per row, or even doing this by weekly, monthly, allowing for that real visibility into longer term projects. So you can come in, give these task names, pick from departments, pick from predefined roles within the system, start adding in our hours, building in our start and end dates as well into here. And what you're seeing as we're doing this is now starting to build up our own resourcing and estimating plan. For finance and COOs, this is ultimately where the forecast accuracy improves, because now what is sold is directly connected to how it's delivered. Because ultimately this brief that we're building out here will now, once approved, become your staffing plan, become your task list, living inside your project. You can also factor in things like third-party expenses and also margin adjustment as well, from a percentage perspective or even on a monetary perspective as well. The ability to come in here as well at single line level and actually, edit your charge cost or your sale cost in terms of what you actually want to charge to the client is possible as well. So again, I mentioned it's just one way we can estimate within Screendragon. We have the ability to build this out a few different ways. Now, ultimately, how are your briefs and your estimates connected to an approval process? So once that brief gets submitted, you can then see that all of your different stages of that approval process are now being shown here. So again, what this is allowing you to do is to make sure that the right stakeholders are reviewing this at the right time. You're ultimately not wasting time chasing updates. There's no ambiguity in terms of project details. And of course, you have a full audit trail baked into this as well. And this is where that governance layer is really critical, because once this brief is approved, this becomes the operational baseline. What this is also going to allow to do at this stage is to say any briefs that have been submitted and are awaiting approval, this will also create your pipeline resourcing plan. This is going to be really key to giving you insights into plan work coming into the funnel. So visibility against your planned work versus your live work, and also in terms of actually can we deliver this in terms of people capacity from what we're selecting with inside our staffing plan.